See this photography work? It was sold for $69.3 million. What if I told you that selling NFT pictures might bring in more than $1,000 each month? Let me tell you how. Hi, welcome to Snow Creators Lab. The non-fungible token, or NFT, may be a term you've heard quite a bit of, but what does it really mean? It is a digital asset that can represent ownership of unique items. NFTs are widely purchased and traded online using cryptocurrency. Everything can be sold as NFTs, even toilet paper. Any marketplace of your choice is where you can sell them. OpenSea is the most popular and by far the largest NFT marketplace. Though there are many other options like CryptoPunks, Rarible, and Super Rare. If you are highly interested in the NFT realm but unsure of what to sell online, what about the photos you took with your phone? I know some might worry about not having professional skills in editing their photos. Here's what you can do. I'm going to use an all-in-one editing app called EPIK. It is a free app and you can turn your photo into a professional one without much effort. Number 1, so this is our first move. Prepare a subject for your photo shoots. Me? I'll be using this for today. Take the best photo with your phone while acting like a professional photographer. Let's see what I can do to get some quality photos. Oh, yes, turning on the grid lines on the camera is a pretty simple technique to improve your mobile images. Composition, composition, composition. You will never go wrong when you follow the rule of thirds. I'll also let my product lie down on a grid line. See, it truly is a work of art. Choose the best images you took of your subject and then begin editing. Number 2, edit is the most important part of enhancing the value of your photography. Look at this. Are you willing to pay for this photo? Not me. What about this? It's much cooler, right? I will open up the EPIK app and show you how I did it. Here's the unedited image I selected. It seems a little monotonous, so let's start with a background cleanup before performing any additional interesting tweaks. You can go to adjust and click remove to delete anything you don't think is necessary for this shot. This can be removed, and I think this can be removed. See the difference? I think it's great that the remove tool in EPIK works smoother than other apps. Oh, and the size of the remove brush can be modified so it's more sensitive. Okay, the background of this picture is now clear and uncluttered. Let's alter the tone range of the image. I'll adjust the contrast, saturation, and HSL to make this shot more vibrant. If you have an excellent sense of color, you can make precise adjustments with the curves. You see this selective feature? Using selected property also changes a specific hue or tone. You can try it if needed. Now here's our final photo. I believe it looks a lot better than the raw one, right? You can also use the batch tool if you wish to duplicate a photo's effects on other raw photographs you've chosen. This can now be your preset, so you don't need to copy down the entire editing procedure you went through. You can open up EPIK and click the batch edit. You can select up to 9 photos for the same effects. Click next when you're done and start editing the first photo. The same edit will automatically be applied to all other photos. I did in fact modify this picture, but look, I received all these images with the same editing. Of course, there are a lot more features to explore as well. I tried many EPIK effects to elevate my photographs to the level of artwork. Now we're ready for the photos. What next? Yes, you should upload them to the NFT market. You must publish your retouched photos online and offer them a catchy title and concise caption that conveys your points. Well, I'll just name this my first NFT photo. I'm hoping someone will shell up a few $100s for this. There are so many other ways to level up your mobile photography for NFT selling. I'll be leaving a link in the description box to EPIK, the photo editing app I used today. You can go and check that out. Thank you for watching and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, Snow Creators Lab.